What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video, and you guessed it, we're going to be talking about AMC stock today. But not so much about AMC. We're going to be talking about what we need in order to make this thing take off. And what's motivated me to make this video, and those of you that have watched last night's video already knew that I would be making this video, but it's because it seems that we are getting a little bit of negative sentiment. People are falling out, they're losing faith, and they don't want to be here anymore. Okay, they want to get out of this play. At least some do, not everyone. But my job is to tell you guys, well, my job is to explain to you guys what in the hell is going on and make you look at things from a more educated perspective so that you don't flip out, panic, get angry, pissed off, whatever, and sell off all your shares, because the day will come when you will regret that decision. And trust me, that day will come. Now, I've been getting a ton of comments. I want to address some of those comments. One of them being how much money people have lost in the play. So first of all, let me say this. Okay, have you sold yet? Because if you have not sold yet, you have lost exactly $0.00, which is why I'm sitting here smiling at the camera right now, recording for you guys, because I've actually lost $0.00 because I have not sold yet. Now, the moment that you press that sell button, you lose it all. You lose everything. Not only do you lose everything, you screw over the rest of us apes that have been standing alongside you, fighting for this movement the entire time. Now, I understand that for some of us, this started as a way to make some quick cash, and then it turned into like a hate thing. Like, I hate Ken Griffin. I hate the corruption in the marketplace. Right now, I'm in it for both. Now, I did get in to this play, I'm not going to lie, for the money. Of course, why wouldn't I? I'm an investor. Sometimes I'm a YOLOer. Sometimes I just get in while I think the getting is good. Okay? But bottom line is, I'm here to make money just like the rest of you. I want to be filthy rich. But at the same time, I am willing to see all of my shares go to zero if necessary in order to make, well, a difference in this marketplace, this corrupt-ass marketplace. That's one statement that I wanted to make today. That's one reason that I'm holding my freaking shares. So actually, that one reason is 50% of the reason that I'm holding my shares. Anyhow, I've got people talking about how much money they've lost and how much money they're down, okay? So if we're talking about how much money we're down, I can guarantee you I'm down a lot more than a lot of you are. Now, someone got angry about last night's video because I said, man, I'm probably down more than your entire net worth. And someone said, well, $10,000 is a lot to me, or da-da-da-da-da. I don't know if someone took it personally. It may have been a comment I didn't even, read that somebody left on my page. And then by me making that video, addressing some other comments, this guy got offended and came back. But, problem is I'm seeing a lot of these comments, okay? I can't address them all individually, but this is one that I chose to kind of address here because he said he tried to compare the $10,000 that he's down or that he's lost to the money that I've lost, and he's telling me that, my loss or, what I'm down, not my loss, but it's not as significant as his $10,000 loss because he's trying to argue that he's more poorer than I am. Well, sir, first of all, you would need to see how much I make, okay? And then you would need to see how much I'm down to be able to determine whether the loss is greater for me or you, okay? So we're all in the same boat. That's my point. We're all in the same damn boat. It doesn't matter who lost more or who lost less, who's down more, who's down less. None of that matters. It all matters. We're in the only thing that matters. I'm sorry, getting a little tongue-tied here, tongue twisted. We're all in the same boat, and we all want the same thing, right? We all want to go to the same place, which is heaven after we die. But for now, we'll settle for the MOASS. That's our heaven on earth, right? So in order for us to get there, we have to, guess what? Work together. We can't be divided and still accomplish this thing, okay? This MOASS, this mother of all short squeezes. We have to be able to work with one another. We have to respect one another and do it together. That is the only freaking way to do it. Trust me. And last time that we saw this MOASS happen with GME, and when AMC was on the right path, what were we doing? Well, by golly, we were working together. Now, I'm sorry that the stock came down. I'm sorry if you were expecting quick cash and didn't want this to take, as long as it's taking. I don't want it to take this long either. But the longer it takes, the sweeter the reward will be at the end of the cycle. I don't know what to refer to it as. At the end of the MOASS, okay? The pot at the end of the rainbow. So another thing I wanted to address, people are saying that I'm using a green screen and talking crap about my background. It's not real. So I want to show you guys that it is real because I'm not a faker. This is not a green screen. Let me take you off here for a second. Okay. If this is a green screen, it's the best damn green screen I've ever freaking seen. Okay? I mean, this is real. It's as real as it gets. Hello. See my reflection in the mirror? Hello. All this is real. Okay? Everything here is real. So, yeah. It's not a green screen. And now for the important part. And for this part, I need to tell you, you need to go check out John Wick's Snipin. He's got a challenge going on his channel to bring all of the apes together and help all of the apes fight against the common enemy, which would be Ken Griffin, the Citadels of this world, to make a difference and for us to MOASS quicker. And this guy, he had a hell of a freaking idea. I really respect it. So I'm going to put the same challenge on you guys. I want everybody to be making AMC videos. Everybody. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you've never made a video before in your life. Start bombarding YouTube with AMC freaking videos, telling everybody what in the hell is going on and telling everybody that we're in on this fight together. And I will shout you out, okay? Leave me a comment. Let me know when you've made your first video. I will shout you out on my channel. And John Wick will also do the same thing I'm speaking for the man, but based on what I've seen him say in his videos, I'm pretty sure he will too. So, yeah, I want everybody to be participating in this. John Wick, hopefully you'll support this movement. For anybody that I send over to your channel, I know you will. So, I don't think that's even a question. But I think that's what we need. And, John, if you're watching this video, John Wick, this is exactly what we need. You were right, my brother. We need to be united. We need to stand together to fight the freaking enemy. I love what you're doing on your channel. Keep up the good work. I'm going to end this right here because that was my message for you today. And I got to go work on some other videos for you guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.